to
In the Kitchen with Natty G, episode 9. Today we are going to be making, Maycie, what are we making today?
Peppermint Parfaits.
With what yummy flavor in them?
Peppermint.
Oh yeah, you did say Peppermint Brownie Parfaits. Okay, let's get to it. So first, what do we need, Maycie? What is this?
We need to make brownies. You can make homemade brownie mix or box mix. We are going to be using Supreme Triple Chunk.
So what do we need on the back? Tell me what that means.
1/4 cup of water.
Okay, so let's get that really quick. Good girl. Yeah, I have a video.
And now,
Need
a third cup of
canola oil.
Canola oil.
Okay, let's get okay.
Bing, 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 bing.
Do you want to get one egg out for me?
Sure.
And you can crack that one egg.
I'll just crack it into this so we don't have to.
Yeah, good girl.
Bye-bye. That did not work.
It didn't work the way that you wanted it.
It cracked at the top and not the bottom. I mean, not the side.
Maycie, what's your favorite kind of brownie?
Probably Reese's.
Reese's brownies. You want to come pour the egg in when it's time?
Sure. We should use a different mixer, not a whisk.
No, we're going to use a whisk. Okay, maybe we'll mix that in.
Mix it. There's so many buttons.
Yeah, do you know why that is?
Because
oil resists water. You know what that means? It's like, when you have oil on your hands or like baking grease.
Like sometimes
dough
sticks to it.
No, it's like when you wash your hands and the water comes off really fast. That's when the oil is resisting. So that's what it means.
Double chocolate chip.
Triple chocolate.
Chip.
There you go. Do you want to throw that away?
There's a lot of chocolate chip.
So, yeah, do you want to turn the oven on to 325? Good girl. Okay, do you want to mix this together so you can get it?
It's sticky.
I'll hold this over. Okay. Good girl. Yeah, go faster. Go like this. Go like this.
I think.
Go faster. Let's see.
Okay, now my turn.
Okay. Oh yeah, go, 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 go. Okay. Does that look good?
Yeah. Who do you think won?
Probably you. Okay. Set the spatula down in there. Or that's not a spatula. That's a whisk. Oh man.
We are going to use a 9x9 pan.
So that's this little pan. Say that.
A tiny little pan. But it will work.
Okay. Do you want to help me spray or?
Yeah.
We'll do that for me.
Do we have to put what do you call it in it?
Guys,
Cocoa powder.
if you guys did not watch my blooper video, you guys should go see that because she learned it from me to say pud, not put. So, yeah, we got to change that. Do you want to tell them what we're going to do while this bakes?
We are going to make vanilla pudding, but peppermint put peppermint extract in it.
Good girl.
There is one thing that we are going to put in that it does put in that we might put it in. Put it in. But I guess it's a surprise.
You scrape it. Oops.
Really? There.
Okay. So, do you want to go set that by the oven?
Set this on the stove.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Now we're gonna make the vanilla. But there is one thing, but
plain vanilla pudding.
we're gonna put red food dye, but when you take it out of the fridge, you have to put more in, because otherwise it would be in a peach color.
Okay. Thank you, Maycie, for that information.
I've made this before, so that's what happened. Ours turned peach color. So we're having some technical difficulties.
No, it's not a technical difficulty. It was a Natalie can't find something.
Yep.
Difficulty. So we're going to pour, what is this stuff, Maycie?
A vanilla pudding.
Vanilla pudding.
Ba, ba, ba.
Is it the white stuff?
Yes.
Okay. Now
No.
fill this up to the 1 cup. See that right there? Hold on to it. But if you're good at it,
Hopefully I am.
you can go faster than that. Keep going, keep going, keep going until the 1 cup. At the top where it says AOZ. Keep going.
No, it's a tiny bit more.
It's okay.
A tiny bit too much. But
Okay, and do it again.
wait, 2 cups it says amount?
3 cups. Well, okay.
We need more milk. Well,
Oh, what does that mean?
we can put the brownies in.
Okay, do you want to do it by yourself?
Sure.
Okay, be very careful. Don't burn yourself.
I got it.
Good girl, okay.
Can you do this one because it's just really cool and I don't want to spill it?
Yeah. Do you want to mix this flow?
Sure.
Okay, be very careful. Then I'll get our vanilla extract in. Half a teaspoon.
And we need red food dye. Well, you want it to be red.
Now I smell peppermint because I got a little on my hands.
So put maybe 2 or 3 drops in for now. Because we don't need a lot right now.
Not open. It does not open.
2, 3. It's a pretty color. You guys
Gonna-
can kind of see it on the sides.
Look pink.
Ah, no, don't spill, don't spill. Is it good? You like it?
That's going to be really good.
But it's going to
Okay.
give you a good fresh breath.
So I'm going to saran wrap this and
And put it in the fridge.
if you guys don't have parfait glasses, then you can just use any cup that is all clear. Okay, so how much of this do you think we'll need, Mace?
Probably all of it.
For real? For real?
Mhm.
I'm just going to scoop out half of it.
No, we need all of it. We need the red food coloring. Again. We should have just left it out. Oh, it's mushy and gushy.
But this time we're only going to maybe do 1 or 2 drops because we don't want it very light. We'll do 2. Does that sound good? It looks like a good color. It'll look really cute if you guys can't see. It's like a
Pretty light pink.
pretty light
I think
pink.
you can see.
It's kind of a little darker, but it's really a cool color.
Like my favorite pink color.
Ooh, well then I guess score, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just got our pudding out. You can get as much as this as you want. You just want a thin layer though. You
Pretty
don't
thin
want to
layer.
get it on the line, on the sides. Up
Try
farther
not to
than
make it messy.
we did about that much. And you kind of want to get them
26
equal.
seconds.
Do you want to help me do this? I
Sure.
got 2 spoons, so you can grab one.
How does that look?
Okay. So for this one, we're just gonna go like this. It'll kind of look like marshmallow. Oh man, this looks so cool. Oh man, doesn't that look
that's-
cool?
That's cool because they're like different colors.
Yeah.
And then the brown will look cool.
You can really add as much as you want. We're not adding a lot. And we have a big spoon, kind of just then going in a circle and spreading it around.
Can I do the brownie job?
Yes.
Leave a spot for
Don't these
brownies.
colors look awesome together?
Yeah.
Like, look at that.
Never mind.
There's a timer. Let's get 'em out.
Yippee!
So our brownies look really good. So I'm gonna set them right here. Okay. So we're gonna let those cool for a little while. Okay, Maycie. So what did our brownie just do?
It just finished cooling.
Okay. So does that mean we get a crumbled up?
Yeah, but we gotta cut the edges out.
Okay.
Let me start cutting the
Okay. Oh, I see.
edges off. The corners, I should say.
So I'm kind of just gonna stir it up in here. Does that sound good?
Yeah, but kind of like bam, bing, bang.
Yeah, like you're doing hamburger sausage. So
That was
here's
actually
mine.
my first one.
See, so you have the pudding, Cool Whip, and brownie.
There's something we
So
need to do.
We just forgot the best part. And with every layer, you need to add crushed up candy canes. It's gonna be really good.
We're just gonna put them in a bag and hit them with a rolling pin or something that's hard. You can hit them with whatever, unless your mom or dad says don't hit them with that. Okay, I finished with all of our first layer.
Here are our. We use 1 candy cane, probably 10 little peppermints.
Candies. So you might want to plug your ears. It might be loud, it might be quiet. What on?
Now with each of them, we're just gonna grab a tiny handful, like maybe that many, and we are just gonna sprinkle them in there. Okay, so that's what it should look like now. We have these. Now we're gonna do the step we just did. So now we're going to grab our pudding and scoop another layer in. Here, Maycie, we'll give you 3 of these.
We move the pudding right here.
There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 of them. Remember, be very careful. You don't want to get them on the side. Just do it and spread it around. Okay, Maycie, you did a great job. Now, Cool Whip.
This looks really good. Just want to eat it all.
We got 2 more. 1 more after this.
And then
move on to the
brownies.
brownies. That's the fun part, isn't it?
Crumble, crumble.
Yeah. We can now put
Peppermints.
crushed peppermints on them.
I'm going to wash my hands.
Okay.
They're all brownie.
Brownie-y. Ready to help me with the pudding now? Okay. So we're going to add a little more pudding just because. And not a lot of this because we don't have a lot. Okay, so we have pudding, Cool Whip, and then brownie, and then a layer of what are they called? Peppermints. Then we got pudding, Cool Whip, brownie, then a layer of peppermints and Cool Whip for pudding, Cool Whip, and then a layer of peppermint. So that's what it should look like. So ours didn't turn out. You see how they're kind of gross on the outside, and if you want, you can use a piping bag to do it, and it would make it more clean. But we just thought to just use a spoon. So Maycie, should we dig in?
Let's try them.
Okay, let's go.
They look so good.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, you gotta make sure you get a bite of every layer. That's the best. No. That was really good. You like it? Yeah. The Cool Whip and the brownie go really good together. And then with the brownie and the peppermint from the pudding, it's a really good, it's like a chocolate mint you know how you have like the
chocolate mint ice cream.
yeah, like that. But it tastes like even better, but in like a nice,
Colorful.
colorful,
But it's kind of
Fun.
crunch. It gives it the crushed up peppermint. Gives it an extra crunch.
yeah. And hope to see you guys for more In the Kitchen with Natty G. Signing off.
Off and cut.
Cut.
It is gonna be delicious. Yummy in my tummy.